Hey people, this is Conrad Lane here. Welcome my YouTube neighbors. This is just my journey to Conrad Lane Turo IPO journey, where I'm gonna try to do my best to figure out the intrinsic value of what potentially Turo might be once goes through the initial public offering, which is IPO. I have strong conviction in this company as a Turo host. I'm not telling you to invest in Turo host, so don't try to litigate me or take me to court. I'm not telling you to purchase Turo stock when it becomes a stock. I'm just simply showing you my journey. Stay tuned. Watch the video, people. Hey people, this is Conrad Lane here. Thank you for following me through to my Conrad Lane IPO journey, which is my digital journal and vlog, as you might say. These are my personal opinions. I'm not giving financial advice, but let's dive right into it. Phenomenal. I was reading a phenomenal article from CNBC that actually lists and stipulates and states that Turo received $250 million in investment capital, which is phenomenal. It's a partnership that was built with a company that goes by IAC that's currently traded on the NASDAQ. You can invest in the stock. It's a public company currently, and they have a long history in regards to investing in media companies and different type of companies in general. They're a major player, and they're a company that really has invested and believes in the conviction, just like I believe in the conviction of companies. And the reason this matters, the CEO himself, Joey Levin, specifically says that they basically, just paraphrasing here, he's basically was stating that Turo basically is a company that is taking over the market in regards to giving clientele and customers a more tailored approach, meaning a more customized experience, which it's what the norm is now, what people are expecting now. And that's what typically, no offense against the other rental car companies like Enterprise, Hertz, etc., they don't offer that. They offer a very basic type of experience. In regards to Turo, once you can get that Ferrari, you can get the Nissan. It's a more broader approach. And kind of like what I mentioned in a few videos back, that Turo is not the lot. The world is their parking lot. Most rental car companies are limited to the cars and making models that are on their lot. Turo is that blue ocean company where the world is their lot. You can you can book whatever you want, reserve whatever you want. And IAC has strong conviction in this company. They put up 250 million to invest, and they really believe in Turo. And the CNBC article that I'm going to let you follow me through, you can actually review that too. And there's an awesome video by the CEO Andre Haddad, who so well spoken, really in such an eloquent manner, stated what the benefits of being a Turo host is and the business trajectory and growth. Really great video. On the bottom of the video, in the CNBC article, on the very bottom, I'm gonna scroll down and show you guys. It's awesome. So I mean, I'm just so convicted. I have such strong conviction, not convicted, conviction in Turo. And I love seeing that where other companies' ideologies and opinions are parallel to mine. And that's another reason why I want to invest in a company. And again, this is not financial advice. I'm simply sharing my digital video journal, vlog, Conrad Lane IPO journey. And I really believe in this company, strong conviction. And again, in my other video, a few videos back, I mentioned that I believe Turo might be traded on the New York, be traded on the NASDAQ, not the New York Stock Exchange, the NASDAQ, because it seems like even IAC, the company that invested 250 million, they traded they're traded on the NASDAQ. Hey people, thank you so much for following me through. This is the CNBC news article, which goes directly in detail for tech news. IAC invests $250 million in car sharing company Turo, which is phenomenal. And the reason this is so significant to me is because first, IAC is a major company. They are traded on the NASDAQ. They invested $250 million in car sharing company Turo. And the cool thing about this, kind of like what I told you, it's not 100%. But what I'm thinking is if Turo does become a public company, I think they will be traded on the NASDAQ. But hey, they could definitely be traded on another exchange. But that's what I'm thinking, especially since IAC is also traded on the NASDAQ. Doesn't mean that that's one piece of information. It doesn't mean that that's the only reason why they might trade on NASDAQ or any other stock exchange. But it just furthers my conviction. Another something else that really impresses me is that they invest $250 million in Turo, which significantly means that they have strong conviction in this company. And see right here, IAC CEO Joey Levin, he specifically believes in Turo, and I'm completely paraphrasing, but he basically stated something along the lines, after I read the article, that Turo basically is the company that will make it a more unique experience, and more tailored experience for the end user, for the consumer, for the customer. And that's absolutely true. It's absolutely phenomenal. And it's so impressive that they believe so much in Turo, have such strong conviction. Looking at companies like this that have been industry veterans and that are great companies, strong, thriving companies that have a lot of growth and that are investing to another company and wanting a partnership from Turo really is a good signal in my personal opinion. And again, I'm not giving any type of financial advice, just simply sharing Conrad Layn's IPO Turo journey. That's all I'm doing, people. So it's really cool. So look at what Joey Levin says. IAC CEO Joey Levin, who will join Turo's board as a result of the move, said the company is at the forefront of a broader disruption of the rental car industry. Exactly what I mentioned a few videos back in regards to enterprise, etc. These companies, this is a whole blue ocean company, meaning new technology, like innovative. You know, what I mean, they're a disruptor. They're disrupting this. They're completely changing the game, and that's another reason. Just another reason on the list why I have strong conviction. Why, if I have the opportunity, I'm definitely investing in this company. Not saying you should, not saying you shouldn't, just saying that's my personal choice. Do your own due diligence. This is just Conrad Layn's IPO journey. Let's look at this down here. Turo has incredible, this is what he stated. Turo has incredible scale, exactly what I believe, and is benefiting from clear network effects in a very large market where consumers want better, more tailored experiences. Perfect for IAC, Levin said in a statement. Awesome. And I just see that just resonates so well with me. And then we go further down here, you see Turo CEO Andre Haddad. He's being interviewed by CNBC. You guys could check this out. Really good read. Highly recommend looking into that. And just do your due diligence. You know, don't take my word for it. This is just my opinion. It's not true. It's not fact. It's not wrong. It's not right. This is just my opinion, people. So do your own due diligence. I'm really impressed with Turo. My conviction is even stronger. And again, I want to make sure I'm not just emotionally vested. I want to be invested on a competent level too and fact-based. So that's why I try to do my best to separate. Yes, I love Turo, love the culture, but I'm also trying to scrutinize the company as possible, which is a huge compliment to any company that of an investor who wants to scrutinize the company means that they actually really take you seriously. And I do believe in Turo's growth. So I just really want to, if I ever have the opportunity, if they file for IPO or SPAC, I definitely want to invest people. So you guys, thank you for hanging out with me. Share, like, subscribe. And thank you guys. And I love you guys. And thank you so much for just supporting me and checking me out. Currently out. Hey, people, just wanted to show you this. Almost forgot to show you this. So IAC trade on the NASDAQ for $140.80. Company's in the green currently. Just want to show you guys this. So now, currently out.